Spinal circles, you can start by hands on both knees, just circling, getting that lower back gently pushing down into the floor. And then doing one leg where you're holding one knee in and the other knee is going to drop out, go forward, and then come back into your chest. Taking it on a range of motion, you're going to work the groin muscle. Just pay attention, make sure the hip feels safe. If you even need to bring the hand in there at any point. And then we go the other direction, so reverse that circling. Having my other knee in just keeps the lower back flat. So like 3 to 5. And then we'll do the other side. Hold that knee in. So the other leg goes forward, out to the side, comes back in, whichever way you start that circling. 3 to 5 that side, that direction, and then taking it out the other way, reversing that direction. There's always one side that's more coordinated and always one way of circling that feels more coordinated for the brain. So doing it all, obviously over time, get the body more in tune, more coordinated, just have that greater awareness. To finish, even pulling the knees into the chest. Well done.